Yo, welcome back. We are doing proportions. All right. So I think I can do this so you can see absolutely clearly proportions. All right. Let me get it set up. I'm going to do money green. So the first thing you want to do is that's not going to work. First thing we want to do is rewrite the problem so that the numbers are standing up so you can see clearly what needs to be done. Then we are going to cross multiply, also known as the Superman. Cross multiply. So we're going to do x times 1, which equals 1x, which is equal to 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So we're multiplying and dividing. So we just multiplied. Now we're going to divide. And you always divide on the side of the variable. In this case, the unknown or the variable is x, because we want to get the x and isolate it or get it all by itself. So divide by 1 on the left, which means we divide by 1 on the right. Okay, so what that does is basically cancel out whatever you're dividing by that is next to the variable or unknown. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Okay, but we don't need to indicate a 1. Okay, we don't need to write the 1. Okay, and 6 divided by 1 is 6. Circle your final answer. All right, next one. 3/5 equals x over 15. Cross multiply. 5 times x equals 5x, which is equal to 15 times 3, which equals 45. Okay. Then we divide both sides by the number that's next to the unknown. Okay, if we do it on the left, we have to do the same thing on the right. This cancels. 5 divided by 5 equals 1x. But we don't have to write the 1. Okay, we could just write x equals 45 divided by 5, which equals 9. Circle your final answer. Make sure you raise your hands if you have any questions so I can pause it and answer any questions in class. All right. 4/2 equals x over 5. 2 times x equals 2x, which is equal to 5 times 4, which is equal to 20. Next, divide on the side that has the x. Divide both sides by 2. This cancels, leaving me x equals 10. Next problem. 5 equals 4 over x. cross multiply, I'm going to do this side first and do 5x is equal to 4. Okay. Divide both sides by 5. This cancels, leaving me x equals the fraction 4/5. That's how you do that. You just end up with a fraction. Next problem, 2 over 6 equals 9 over x. I'm going to multiply this way first to bring the x on this side. It wouldn't make a difference. Let me just do it like this. I could do the 6 times 9 equals 54 equals 2x. The only thing you have to remember is that you would not divide both sides by 54. That would be wrong, because the 54 does not have the x next to it. Okay? So, what are we supposed to do? It doesn't matter what side it's on. We still divide by the 2 because it's next to the x. Okay? This cancels and equals x. 54 divided by 2 equals 27, and I could just switch it and do x equals 27. Final answer. All right. Again, if you got any questions, ask in class. Other than that, I will see you in class. Peace.